namin sa nangyari kay Adrian. Again, it's Cliffage. Dami ng ganong insidente ni Cliffage. He's the dirtiest player in the league. I think dapat siguro tingnan ng liga. He's a danger to the other players in the league. So, his record speaks for itself.
What did you saw in that incident? Kasi Meralco was contesting din na hindi dapat foul yung record. I think dumaan sa pat ni Adrian si Hatch.
Sinaksak niya yung paa niya. Kaya nga tinawagan na sportsman-like foul. Maraming incidents na gano'n na I think cause danger to the players. And it's always been a lot of situations or incidents where touch is involved. So, yun nga, tingin ko is a danger to his fellow players.